Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to add your friend to your Discord account, then I will show you how you can add your friend to your Discord account. It's pretty simple and easy process. Just follow these steps mentioned in this video. First, go to your Discord app, and here at the top right corner you will see a message icon. Go to this section and you will find at the top bottom side add friend. Click on it, and here you will find several ways to share your links, share your profile links, or invite your friend, or you can invite them through email, messenger, telegram, or WhatsApp, this kind of social media. Also, you can search for your friend by entering their username. Enter your friend's username perfectly and click on send friend request, just like this. Enter username just like this and click on send friend request button to send them a friend request. If available, you will find the user and you can add them to your account. Also, here is the feature for find friends. Click on it, and by clicking on this allow buttons, Discord will sense your contacts to find people you know on Discord. Also, if you want to add your contacts, or you want that people's on your contact list will find you on Discord, then don't forget to turn on this button, this toggle button. That's all. By following this process step by step, you can add your friend to Discord. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.